What is data visualization? Data visualization is an important tool that turns complex data into clear, easy to understand visuals. It converts information into charts, graphs, or maps that display hidden trends and patterns. Data storytelling takes more than just.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Visuals, it should also make data straightforward and unforgettable. Our brains process visuals more quickly than text, which means it is easier to understand data. A carefully considered chart can show patterns and trends that the human brain would overlook while examining text. It is critical to share one's findings with colleagues, clients, or others with no technical background using data presentation. This way, everybody can see the entire survey and make better decisions. Important types of data visualization. The right data visualization unlocks your data's potential. It translates complex information into a clear story, boosting understanding and driving smart decisions. Line graphs. A line graph shows trends and development over time, demonstrating values across continuous measurements. It helps forecast future outcomes and is useful for displaying multiple categories over time. Column charts. Column charts are a popular data visualization technique for comparing data sets across time, displaying total figures and trends, often combined with line charts for better understanding. Pie charts. Pie charts represent a constant number through categories, displaying numerical quantities in percentages. They serve various applications, such as customer types, product revenues, and country profits, but may not be suitable for complex information. Bar chart. Bar charts visually represent numerical data sets along two axes, comparing categories or subjects. They can be drawn vertically or horizontally, demonstrating relationships and changes over time. Heat maps. Heat maps leverage color gradients on a two-dimensional grid. This visual technique aids in identifying patterns, which is especially valuable for geospatial analysis. Scatter plot. Scatter plots are data visualization techniques that examine the correlation between variables, identifying trends or correlations. They represent data points as dots on a two-dimensional graph, which is particularly useful for large data sets. Bubble chart. Bubble charts are a variation of scatter plots, using bubbles to represent data points and varying their size to represent a third variable, enabling simultaneous visualization of relationships. Funnel chart. Funnel charts track user flow through a process. By depicting decreasing values, they reveal potential drop-off points. What are the benefits of data visualization? Data visualization is versatile and applicable across various fields, such as public policy, finance, and more. The benefits of data visualization are as follows.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.